Okay, we need to save $300, and we get an allowance of $10 a week, and we already have $75. So sort of have it set up for us already. 75 is what you start with. That's your y-intercept. What you get per week is your slope. X would be the number of weeks. And you're trying to save up $300. So which sign do we plug in there? Could we save? First off, we have to determine what does this side represent and what does this side represent. 300 is what the computer is going to cost. This is what you have saved up. All right, and whatever you have saved up, could that be less than $300? And the answer is no. All right, what you have saved up, could that be equal to $300? Yes. What you have saved up, could that be more than $300? Yes. Now, which one of these would you choose? Well, what we're going to do is we need this to be, let's just say it equals 300. Let's solve for x to determine what x is going to be. So that means we would subtract 75 on each side, subtract 75. All right, we get 225 equals 10x. Okay, do you follow with that? Then we divide by 10. And x is going to equal 22.5. That means we have to save up $10 per week for 22 and a half weeks to get to $300. So that's why in this case I'm leaning toward we don't want it to be equal because it can't be 22 and a half weeks. It's going to have to be more than that because you want to save more than $300 or at least 300. So we're going to go with 23 weeks. So we really need to have this inequality symbol there. This would be your answer. Okay. Now, what is a value that is a solution? So remember we got 22.5, right? Well, let's just try 22 here. Because if you plug in 22 for x, 10 times 22 is 220, plus 75, it's 295. So is 22 weeks going to work? 295, that's not more than 300. It's not going to work. So 22 weeks is not going to work. So that's why it has to be 23 weeks. And that's kind of what led me to saying that you need to use an equality sign instead of the equal sign.